Assalamualaikum viewers, welcome to my online class. I am Saidul Islam, assistant teacher English Pirkashumpur RN High School Muradnagar Kumilla. Today's my topics transformation of sentence. In transformation of sentence there is a branch changing sentence. In changing sentence there is a topics about change degree. Before going to main discussion, I want to narrate the definition of degree. Actually, it is one kind of adjective and comparison of adjective. This is called degree. There are kinds of degree. Dear students, you can see in the whiteboard. For your better understanding, I have written the kinds of degree. There are three kinds of degree. First one, positive degree. Second, comparative degree. Last one, superlative degree. Before going to change sentence positive to comparative, comparative to superlative, we should discuss about how to change what, like great. Great is one kind of degree. It is positive degree, and in this word how many syllable? One syllable. If you find one syllable in a degree, how can you change positive to comparative and superlative, comparative and superlative degree. There are a word great. Great is one kind of adjective, and this is positive degree. We know that normally we can change positive to comparative, positive to superlative by using ER and EST. ER and EST after the base form of the word. In this word there is a one syllable, so we can write great, greater, greater and greatest. Greatest. Student, look at the board. I just only add ER and EST. By this adding, we can change easily comparative and superlative. Like that, if you find at the last of the word E, you just add R and ST. Like that, fine, finer, finest. Only ST and ER. Only ST and ER. You can change the word positive to comparative, comparative to superlative. Next one, big. In this word, one syllable, obviously, but in the word at the last letter is consonant. Last letter is consonant, before letter is vowel. If you find last letter is consonant, before letter is vowel, only one consonant, one vowel, then you will give the double consonant, double last consonant, like that. then ear and est. Vigor and biggest. Biggest, bigger and biggest. In the next word, you see in this word one consonant, but there is in this word one consonant, but there are two vowels. Two vowels. So the rule is not appropriate for this word. So you should go to the first rule. Only ear and est. Coal, collar, coalesced. Coalesced. And the next word, we can see at the last of the word there are two consonant. So this rules also not applicable for this word. So you just add er and est to make comparative and superlative. Think. Thick, thicker, thickest. Thick, thicker, thickest. Next one, in this word we can see that at the last of the letter is y. If you find at the last of the letter of any word y, you will check before letter, vowel or consonant. We can see that in this word s is a consonant. If you find at the last of the word y, then before consonant you will write I instead of y, like that. Instead of y. The student, look at the board. I have written I instead of y because y is the last word. Y is the last letter of the sentence. Then er and est. Er and est. In this next word there is also y, but before letter is vowel. So this rule is not applicable in this word. Grayer, grayest. Only er and est we can change easily. In the last word there are how many syllables? Active. Active. 2 syllables. In 2 syllables we can change by adding more and most. More, active and most active. More active and most active. In this word we can't use er and est to make positive to comparative, comparative to superlative. So viewers, today I have discussed about word change, how to change positive to comparative, comparative to superlative. I hope you are beneficial by watching my class. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.